Hello guys. In our previous in a framework tutorials, I've already told you that how Spring provides comprehensive infrastructure support for developing robust Java applications and very easy and very rapidly. Spring Framework was initially by Robert Johnson and was released under the Apache 2.0 license in June 2003. So basically, Spring supports Pojo-based modular and integration with existing frameworks, testability, and web MVC and central exception handling and lightweight transaction management are some of the benefits which we get with respect to Spring Framework. So now we are going to see that how can we make a simple application hello world in a Spring Framework or with using Spring. So here we go to the Eclipse first, and in the file we just take two Maven projects, and we just click next first, and we take this artifacts there from there, and we are going to name as demo hello spring hello spring. So after naming this, finish the thing. So you see that we have got this project, and here is our pom.xml. So we see that okay. Dependencies have we have to generate as because it's of Spring Framework. So we have some lib files which we have to take it to add in the dependencies via library files. So here we are using Maven approach, but still, firstly, we will try to see that how we can achieve these things via lib files, lib jars. So basically, we again go to this project, and then we go to the build path and configure it. And firstly, I tell you that how you can get it. So this is previously I have downloaded the Spring jars, and from this release 5.2.3. This you will get here the this zip folder. You will get the jars, and you can download the jar, and by that adding in the library, and then choose use user library, and then you have to just go to the user library and then just select all the jars there, and here you can directly select just like spring.5.2.3 and finish that. It will apply to that particular code. So here if you see in Java main src main Java, there is a particularly one app.java is having. So here we will create one class which will be which will be we will be making some particularly making particularly hello type of message there. So we will be saying spring hello word, just like that, spring hello word, and just putting finish that line, and then we will be just taking a string name, and now we will be saying public void print name, so one method we just have made, and this method will return name. So we will sys out that, and you will say hello word from Spring Framework, and here we will be putting name, and now we will have the getter and setter with respect to public string get name, and it will be returning name, and public void set name, and it will be string name, and here we will be saying uh, this dot name is equal to name. Now proceeding towards this, we will make in the app.js, we will get the things done, uh, just like we will have the first bean.xml. So what we will do that from the folder, just we make a file. So in this file we make beans dot xml, one file we just make it, and after making this beans.xml, so from here we will take the upper content of that. So we take like this, and we will place like this. So here uh, we will we have taken that Spring hello word. So whatever the things we have taken here, so we will place just like in our piece.xml. So like this, com.mang.demo hello spring, and the name of this is spring hello word. So we will be changing it like that, uh, spring hello word. So now uh, you can just uh, mention this, okay, and we will be mentioning this, okay. So that's all fine now. So in the app.js, the things are there that we have to use here application context. So we'll write application context. So here from which we will get context, my bean context. So you can get bean context. Okay, you get a bean context, and then from bean context you can get class path XML application context. So here you will get this. So here you will defining the bean name which you have already created. So it's beans.xml. So here you have already created it. You just import these packages, and class plus XML application context. So It's already been in. So what we have to, so we have missed this, so that's why it has not covered that. So now bean context basically, it will be triggering, it will be getting get beans. So there is a class get beans. So your bean class name is Spring Hello World. So you will be Spring will be mentioning Spring Hello World dot class, and after this, how it has been referring to this. So it is referring with the Spring Hello World. So we will be also referring the same uh, Spring Hello World. Okay, and we will be mentioning it just like my being, just like this. And now you will we have to cast this. So Spring Hello World. Okay, so now all things are fine. So now we have to use this only with the method we have made. So my bean dot you have made a method with respect to print. So print name method is there. So we will mention it. Print the method name here we have just made print name. Okay, okay, print name. Okay, we have not saved it exactly, so we have to save it, then all things will be fine. Now it's pretty cool. So all things are done, and now Spring Hello World Bean com dot okay. Mhm. Okay, okay, so okay, okay, okay. So now this is fine, and about this, it is super cool. So let's see it that how we can trigger it out. So now we run, and is giving hello world from the Spring framework hello world. So that's how we just made our successful first Spring application. So we will meet in the other, and we will more know about Spring, that how we can uh, uh, use dependency injection with respect to when multiple beams are being used. So this is the basic example that you can run the Spring application. So that's all for this tutorials. In the next tutorial, we will explore some more example and some more stuff with respect to Spring. So kindly like and subscribe my channel, so that I get motivated and I can bring some more interesting and knowledgeable stuff in front of you. Thank you.